सो गाइस वेलकम बैक अवर लाइनेक्स क्रैकर चैनल। सो जो हमारा आज का वीडियो है वो थर्ड स्टेप पे है, मतलब कि जो हम वेब मेल फाइनली जो क्रिएट करेंगे वो हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप और सेकंड स्टेप दोनों के रिलेशन से मिल करके थर्ड स्टेप हमारा क्रिएट होगा, जिसमें हम विंडोज़ बेस इन द सेंस मीन्स व्हेन वी ओपन अ ब्राउज़र we can interact with our main user agent uh, who will make or who will design or who will cooperate our management for showing the message or inbox and junk files or sent files, everything on behalf of applications. So आज हम वही स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना होगा, पहले हमें अपाचे सर्वर इंस्टॉल करना होगा एंड देन उसके बाद माई एसक्यूएल। सो उसके लिए मैं इसमें कमांड्स जितने पैकेजेस मुझे चाहिए उस वेब मेल के लिए पीएचपी से रिलेटेड, एचटीटीपी मींस अपाचे से रिलेटेड एंड माई एसक्यूएल डेटाबेस से रिलेटेड। तो इन तीनों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है पीएचपी में इसलिए इंस्टॉल करूँगा क्योंकि जो हमारा राउंड क्यूब है वो पीएचपी पे प्रोग्रामिंग बेस पे है। ठीक है, तो उसके लिए मैं पीएचपी कर रहा हूँ। देन मुझे जो डेटाबेस चाहिए, जो मैं डेटाबेस चाहिए मुझे राउंड क्यूब के लिए, तो वो माई एसक्यूएल से रिलेटेड होगा। तो जो मेरा डेटा स्टोर होगा उस राउंड क्यूब का, वो मेरा माई एसक्यूएल के बेस पे स्टोर होगा। जो भी स्ट्रक्चर, जो भी क्वेरी होगी उसकी डेटाबेस की, वो माई एसक्यूएल में होगी। एंड देन जो हमें वेब ब्राउज़र हमें डिस्प्ले होगा वो अपाचे मीन्स एच सर्विस के बेस पे होगा। तो इस बिहाफ में एच एंड माई एसक्यूएल एंड पीएचपी के कुछ पैकेजेस जो साथ में हमें इनबिल्ट पैकेजेस में डाउनलोड करने हैं। सो चलिए देखते हैं क्या क्या हमें पैकेज इंस्टॉल करने हैं। तो हम उसके लिए कमांड यूज़ करेंगे। सो फर्स्टली चेक दैट इट्स कनेक्टेड टू इंटरनेट और नॉट। सो पिंग के okay, it's a Google ID, so I confirming for that it's working or not. So let's stop it and let's download our necessary packages for running the mass running round cube webmail. Okay, okay, it's fetching the file. Let's see it. Okay, I missed it. Common, it's not common, it's common. Okay, now it's downloading files. 51 packages, total size 49 and necessary size for installing the 231 MB. Okay, no problem. I'm having better space for storing any packages of of what, of this application, sorry, for this application. So don't mind, enjoy. Hmm. पैकेजेस फेच कर लिया है उसकी अचीव फाइल को। अब जो बंडल डाउनलोड किया था, बंडल इन द सेंस जो मल्टीपल ऑफ पैकेजेस इज डाउनलोडिंग बाय mirror server, and then now is installing the packages on our system. Firstly he fetched the files, then he installed on our system by a by a yum command, because yum is a very powerful command, or can we say helpful command for installing and predefined storage where is needed to store the location, the explicit packages on the folder. Okay, Okay, wait few minutes, it will install. Okay, our necessary packages are installed. Now let's use MySQL. But before starting any configuration, then we have to start then we have to start some services like HTTPD and MySQL. Okay, so first sudo. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, sudo yum. Now start MySQL. MySQL is database management services where we manage the data. Okay, data in the sense user authentication, user password, name, id, and blah blah you can store on the database. Okay, okay, now let's enable these services as like we done before. Okay, now we have to do on second step my secure installation done. Doing We have to do for making MySQL root password authentication and anonymous user. Anonymous user means no one can interrupt you outside of the environment. So sudo MySQL secure installation. Okay. Validate password components can be used to test password and improve security. It check the strength of password and allow to your user to set only those password which are secure enough. Okay, so you can use a strong password like special characters or alphabets, capital, small, and numerical digits. So now we are any other key for no and press yes. Okay, let's play yes. So it's asking for that you have to you are what you want, or you want for going with a strong password for two, or you want to go for medium password for one, and or you want to go for zero, means low level of password security strength. Okay, so I will go for zero. I will create password. Now another time I will write password for confirming that before password. And now he is asking for, do you wish to continue with the password provided? So yes. Okay, error, your password does not satisfy the current policy requirement. Okay, so I will put 123 123. No. Okay, 123. Okay, do you wish to continue with password provided? By default, MySQL installation has an anonymous users. allowing anyone to log into MySQL without having to have user account created for them. Okay, this is instead only for testing, and to make that installation go a bit smoother, you should remove them before moving into a production environment. Means if you are testing environment, you can use normal and another person can log in on your MySQL database. So if you are in that means officially work you are doing, so you have to sure that your password is strong. Okay, so for that purpose asking estimate is 100. Okay, and remove anonymous user, yes. Disallow root login remotely, yes. Remote test database and access to it, yes. Okay, remove test database, yes. Reload privilege tables, yes. And now all done. So your all MySQL SQL installation have done. Now you have to make a database on your MySQL database, and then create a user who will authenticate it by, and who will grant permission on that database, who we will create for making MySQL database to connect around QMail. Okay, so for going MySQL database, we will use command sudo mysql user root and hyphen password. So it will ask for password, then you have to put जो पासवर्ड आपने पहले लिखा था, and then enter. You will enter on your MySQL interpreter. Okay, interpreter. So here you will custom commands for seeing the database, that what database have done or what database have created before. So we will use command show databases. So our list of databases, so our in list of databases are here information schema, MySQL performance schema, and assess. So we will create here another database. So we will command use create database round q mail. Okay, so let's see again how much databases are created now. Okay, our database have listed on this table round cube mail. So let's create user for giving a permission on this database. So we will use command create and user, and username I will use round cube and @localhost. Okay, and identified means will be what will we think will what thing will be authenticated by this user. ओके, कौन सा पासवर्ड या कौन सी चीज़ है जो इस MySQL के लिए इस यूज़र को ऑथेंटिकेट करेगा, तो उसके लिए हम लोग कमांड यूज़ करेंगे आइडेंटिफाई बाई IDENTIFIED आइडेंटिफाइड बाई use password. So I will password use here PASSWOR password has 1 2 explanation, and then so our user round cube I have created. Okay, so now what our job we have to do, that we have to grant all permission on this database who were created before. So I will use command grant all on round cube mail, because we created use a round cube राउंड क्यूब एस्ट्रिक dot asterisk, okay, and to round cube at the rate localhost, okay, okay, so query, okay, and 0 row affected 0.01 second. Okay, now we will flash all the privileges who were before created or made. Plus privileges privileges, okay, and now quit. So our job for MySQL database creation have done. ये हमारा थर्ड स्टेप कह सकते हैं, इसमें थर्ड या फोर्थ स्टेप आई थिंक. नाउ हमारा जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन था MySQL के लिए वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है.